In today's video, we'll talk about the benefits of black beans. Black beans, also known as turtle beans, are a staple in many cuisines around the world, including Latin American, Caribbean, and Southern American. They are a great source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a nutritious addition to any diet. Here are some of the benefits of black beans. High in fiber. Black beans are rich in dietary fiber, with a single cup of cooked black beans containing around 15 grams of fiber. This fiber content helps promote healthy digestion and regularity, as well as reduce the risk of digestive disorders such as constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis. Source of protein. Black beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, with 1 cup of cooked black beans containing approximately 15 grams of protein. This makes them a great option for vegetarians and vegans looking for an alternative to meat. Low in fat. Black beans are low in fat, with less than 1 gram of fat per serving. This makes them a great food to include in a weight loss or weight management plan. Rich in antioxidants. Black beans are a good source of antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect the body against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Helps control blood sugar levels. Black beans have a low glycemic index, which means they are digested slowly and do not cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. This makes them a good food option for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. Supports heart health. Black beans are rich in soluble fiber, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also a good source of potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Helps boost immune system. Black beans contain several essential nutrients, such as iron, zinc, and folate, which are necessary for a healthy immune system. Iron is important for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body, while zinc helps support the immune system and folate is essential for the production of red and white blood cells. In conclusion, black beans are a versatile and nutritious food that provides numerous health benefits. The healthy portion size of black beans for an adult can vary depending on their individual needs and dietary goals. However, as a general guideline, a healthy portion size of cooked black beans for an adult is around 1/2 to 1 cup, which provides approximately 7 to 15 grams of protein and 7 to 15 grams of fiber. Whether you enjoy them in soups, salads, or as a side dish, incorporating black beans into your diet can have a positive impact on your health. Here are 4 delicious and healthy recipes featuring black beans. Recipe 1. Black bean and corn salad. Ingredients. 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of corn, 1 diced red bell pepper, 1/4 diced red onion, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 diced avocado, 1 lime, juiced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, mix together the black beans, corn, red bell pepper, red onion, and cilantro. Add the diced avocado and lime juice and gently stir to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve it chilled as a side dish or on top of a bed of greens for a light lunch. Recipe 2. Black bean and sweet potato enchiladas. Ingredients. 8 corn tortillas, 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 large sweet potato, peeled and diced, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup chopped bell pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 cup of your favorite enchilada sauce, 1/2 cup shredded cheese, optional. Instructions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large skillet, sauté the sweet potato, onion, and bell pepper over medium heat until tender. Add the black beans, cumin, and chili powder and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Warm the tortillas in the microwave or on a skillet to make them more pliable. Spread a spoonful of the enchilada sauce in the bottom of a baking dish. Fill each tortilla with the sweet potato and black bean mixture and roll tightly. Place the enchiladas seam side down in the baking dish. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce over the top of the enchiladas and sprinkle with cheese, if using. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Recipe 3. Black bean and quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1/2 red onion, diced, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 lime, juiced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, mix together the black beans, cooked quinoa, red bell pepper, red onion, and parsley. In a small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper to make the dressing. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Recipe 4. Black bean soup. Ingredients: 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 small chopped onion, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 cup vegetable or chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: chopped cilantro, diced avocado, sour cream, shredded cheese. Instructions: in a large saucepan or Dutch oven, sauté the onion and garlic over medium heat until softened. Add the black beans, cumin, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper and stir. Add the vegetable or chicken broth and bring the mixture to a simmer. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the flavors have melded together and the beans are tender. Remove from heat and allow the soup to cool slightly. Use an immersion blender or transfer the soup to a blender and puree until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, topped with chopped cilantro, diced avocado, sour cream, or shredded cheese if desired. These recipes are just a few examples of the many delicious ways you can incorporate black beans into your meals. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.